We got Thomas Cook spray lines. Was really dumping over the bighorns. Looked like some full wing action, but he's too far away. By the size of the trail, I'd say it definitely was. Heavy spraying all morning. Getting the skies all hazed up. Now Thomas Cook here, they have belly sprayer, so they like to use a lot, so we'll be keeping an eye on her. Not sure what that was, or if that was just reflection in my thing. Sometimes them little sneaky drones and orbs, they hang around. Definitely some dirty toxic chemicals. Imagine that. Oh yeah, that's dirty. Dirty sauce, Thomas Cook. Chemical dump. One of many today. You know, because it is high pressure day, so that means lots of spraying. Or as Noah calls it, sunny. Excuse me. But you can see it's pretty fogged up. You can see he changed his sauce there. And right there is where a little military contractor boy came through. You can see they're working all that. This was little military contractors, little concoction. You can see where he changed his to the thick death. There. Then over here is where Thomas Cook changed theirs. Not sure who left that one back there, but you can see they're getting her all smogged up. Imagine that shit. There you are, Thomas Cook spray lines. This fine day. Looks like big dumper Virgin Atlantic's coming too. Alright. Heavy spraying continues.